Yes, you can start. Start.
Okay. Today's discussion topic is money and time, which is a better. I think money we can be earned, but time does not be earned. But without money, I think time is useless. Suppose we have take example of economical condition for any countries. Uh, this can be US, UK, Japan. They have the lots of money. They have to utilize their time and and be- they can be become a successful. uh, I think we have in 21st century more is money is a more money is a more important that I think we can give priority for money. For we can see the Indian peoples have lots of lots have a time we can be wasted, but they have no money because they don't have get any jobs.
Yes.
I think that is a main issue in India. If you can go in anywhere and your work is pending, that time you can choose the any other option with the help of money. uh, with the help of money you can utilize your time, and also you have lots of money, you can enjoy your life in comfortably.
Okay. Let's I start. First of all, I introduce me. I'm Vijay Mala, and today discuss about the topic is time and money, which is to better. I think time and money both the important things in our life, both the hand by hand in our life, and with the help of money we can create goodwill, power and reputations. So that is importance of money. And time is also important because um, we can't get we can't measure time in with the help of money, in terms of money also. So that is importance of time. So both the things are very important in our life. And without time we can do anything in our life. And we have a lot of money, but we have don't time. So uh, how uh, how you utilize your money that time, because you have no time, so your money is useless that time. So I
I
think
know, but
time is more important than money.
I know, but some of the condition we can see the some of them I'm confused because any of the situation in front of you,
Yes.
you will be never decide the which is important. I can give you the example. The God is given for extra bonus life for 100 years, and another we can choose other option is 20 years plus lots of money.
Yes.
That time you can which is choose. Tell me.
uh, First, you repeat once again.
Okay. God can be given a bonus life,
Yes.
and that time God will be first condition is we can take 100 years of life,
Yes.
and another point is we can 20 years life plus we have give the lots of money. Which is option you can choose?
I prefer to the first option because the less more than because time is very important. We have time, then we earn money.
But I think we can be given money is without any work. Without money, how can you survive the 100 years?
That time, money is important. Money also important, but less than time. But because time also important, you have no time, then how it is possible to earn money?
I know another point is Indian culture and foreign culture.
Yes.
Indian culture, we have to Indian peoples don't have to more more advantage to money, but foreign countries they can be more advantage for money. The but you can tell me the uh, for of money. That time, what can we do?
Your voice is uh, cut. So please you repeat once again. I'm not audible to you.
Sure. Uh, that time we have to give the importance for money, I think.
Yes, yes. I agree with you, but many times it is not possible. Just I have an example. Talking about Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Abdul Kalam, they have lot
And
of.
use your
Hello,
is-
hello. Yes, I'm audible to you.
yes, audible.
Okay, I start. Uh, I agree with you, but it is sometimes not possible because just I have an example that thing. So talking about Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Abdul Kalam, so they have a lot of they have don't money, but they have lot of knowledge, lot of time management skill, so that they become a
Okay.
successful in our life. So that is the importance of time. So not a money. There is not required money. Without money, they get success.
I know successful definition is a you can get time management, but
Yes,
I think without money, how to survive this in life? Each and every time we have to need the money.
yes, and I'm in group discussion, so not a debate. So, so both the
I
things
know.
are parallel in our life.
I know. No. I can tell you because some of them I am also confused because yesterday one incident happening with me. I
Yes,
can share with this. One person, I think she's my you can tell he will be guide me also well wisher. He
yes,
yesterday he will death for corona. I think he is always supporting me. I
yes,
think his personal. I think in my village he is a very rich person,
yes.
but
That is,
but
that is
he
also example of time, because they have a lot of that time corona time. there is need to medicines. So there is Ayurveda is an example of time, and the Ayurveda is uh, medicine of the corona. They don't have doctors. They don't need to doctors that time. So that time money is not important, because Ayurveda, this is about the solutions of the corona.
Okay, okay. I think this reason I'm confused. So
Yes.
which is a better?
uh, I think both the important, and both things are better.
Both things are better, and we have managed this. Balancing
Yes.
is important for in life.
Yes,
I
yes.
think
And
is important.
yes, because without time you can't earn money, and without money you can't success in your life. So both the things are important.
Yes, yes, yes.
And so what do you think about?
Mm, I think we can give the equal priority for these two things. I think.
Yes. uh, so many times economical conditions, they required money.
Yes,
um, but without time we cannot possible, because we have time, so we can earn
okay.
money, and economical condition is sorted, that thing.
Yes, yes.
So I can stop here today's discussion.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, next topic we will discuss after some time.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day.